Yeah.
All right.
Just count it back down. Short bites early. Still early in the morning. These fish ain't got the sleepy out of their eyes yet. Short bite, short bite. Come on, come to Papa. Got a good mark coming on the screen at 18. All right, first fish. We've been fishing about 10 minutes, guys. Take your time. Striper. You keeping fish?
No.
Just push the button. Always push the button. Marks coming on the screen, guys. I want to hear a damn rod bend over. See them go quick marks? Quick marks. Come on. Let me hear one scream. Come to Papa. You want to get that fish up front, or you want me to get it?
Oh.
He's gone.
Gone.
I was waiting for it to start pulling drag. Isn't that funny? I just told you a story like that. And the exact rod bent down. It was bending down good. I was waiting for it to start smoking. He didn't get the hook. Or did he break the line? We don't break line on Deadliest Catch. Look at that man up there catching fish, sneaking them in the boat. Yeah, getting a little eater. Push that button, put it back in the rod hole. That rascal looks like he got hooked. Old Rooster Tail was looking for me yesterday. He didn't know I took yesterday off.
He swallowed that damn thing.
Little guy, little guy. Here, I can release him right there. Goodbye, city life. Ooh, that rascal hooked good.
Yeah.
Right in the corner of the mouth. Goodbye. It's a big fish. It's 10 plus. Keep pulling this way. I want him to come in this corner over here this way. And if he has to go back over there, we will go back over there. Go back over there. To let him go over there and go over there. Find up, can he? Pull him back that way. Pull him back. I'm trying to get this rod, see if it'll get hit. Because if there's another striper with him, he'll hit this bait.
Oh, that's a big fish. Look at that.
Just got hit. Pull left, pull left, pull left, pull left. Reel down, pull left. Keep rod tip high when he gets close to the boat.
Got it.
That's a 10-pounder.
Plus.
10 plus, yeah. Give me a gripper.
Yeah.
Boga grip.
Yeah. You got the net?
I got it.
All right. Here you go.
I'm a professional. Oh shoot, he got away.
Oh, I gotta get a photo with that one, man.
We're gonna have to keep it.
Uh-oh.
We'll try and release it, but this water temp getting this hot.
Yeah.
We're gonna try and release this girl.
Yeah, baby. Go.
Grab that net and get her. She got away from me. Let's just keep her because she's gonna die.
Okay.
She's coming this way. I would love for her to live, but just keep an eye scanning the water.
Okay.
And if you see a fish belly up, we'll have to go get her.
Okay. Sure. That stress.
Here's the baby. Hear another one bend over, start screaming. It's another 10-pounder. Oh, goodness gracious.
Angry guy.
Hey, angry. Need to go to anger management. Get that one. There's a big one in the back. You got that one ready to go in the net?
Almost.
Just leave him. He's all right back there. He ain't going nowhere. Told you, some tanks have come through. Don't call it a truck stop for nothing. I'm gonna go get that one in the back.
Okay.
Just little guys. Goodbye, city life. Fish all over the screen. Hot diggity dog. Gotta get those baits down there. Gotta get those baits down there. Woo, gotta get the baits down there. Hot diggity dog. Oh, that's a nice one. They're all over the screen. Just a baby.
Well, they fight, don't they?
Oh yeah, they fight like freight trains. Catch and release. You break the line?
Nope.
We don't break line on the deadliest catch. Keep that net dripping.
Already. Big fish, big fish. There.
Is that blinking red?
Huh?
Is that blinking red?
No. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. That's a big fish there.
All right. Chris finally let me catch one. I don't know if I'm gonna beat his though. It's gonna be hard to beat 10-2. God, look at the size of that tank.
I know, I'm telling you, it's huge.
Get that net kind of close to the water. Keep it flat. That's another 8-pounder, 8-9-pounder. Oh, right in the corner of the
Look
mouth.
at that. Barely hooked. Think we'll be able to let him go?
Yeah,
All right, good deal.
we'll try. No, that's going nowhere.
All
On
right.
the deadliest catch, we're gonna weigh this one.
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna weigh mine. See if he's bigger than yours.
Well, since I didn't weigh mine, mine's automatically bigger.
Well, we called yours 10-2. We really don't know how big his was because we didn't weigh it. Get a picture of me with my phone. It is a big fish. All I catch on the deadliest catch is big fish. That's a big striper. See how he's running out?
Yeah.
Look at that. I got one in the back. Look at that one right there. Over here in my secret spot. God, it's another big one. Hot diggity dog. Take your time. Enjoy the fight, Chris. I got another big one on. We got 2 big ones on. No, mine ain't that big. You got a big one. You got a 10 plus. You got a 10 plus on. Mine's only about 5, 6. He's a good fighter though. He's a rascal dascal. That's all I got to say about that. He is a rascal dascal. Your trip's over, sir. Go ahead and cut the line, put the rod up. Just cut the line. Trip's up, we gotta go. The trip's over. Alarm's going off.
Oh, yeah,
Just release the fish. Let's go. We gotta put the rods up. It's time to go. Mine's a solid 6, 7. Just leave them in the water. I'm gonna come net yours. That's the way to end the trip right there, guys. Pull them up, pull them up. Reel. That ain't 10. He fought like a 10.
That is such a
Go ahead, just control that fish till I get the net free. It's a rascal dascal. Rascal dascal. Get that other gripper out of the drawer.
Okay.
And we're gonna put them both on. Oh, you're gonna hold both of them. I can't, we can't get nobody to take the picture of both of us holding fish.
Where's the other one? Oh, he's been gone. She's been sitting alone.
Hold them closer together and keep, make sure they're flat this way.
This way?
There you go, there you go. Now lift them up. Hold them closer together. Rascal Dascals, that's how you end the trip on the deadliest catch, guys. Catch some tanks right at the end. Over here in my secret spot. These girls were just out for a damn afternoon swim. Oh, come here. Just out for an afternoon swim. They thought they was gonna get a hot dog at the hot dog stand. Woo! Go ahead and bait those up, get them back fishing. Come on, girl. Catch your breath. Y'all don't want to end up on Rooster Tail's fillet table, do you? I asked this guy this morning, you want to pay the regular rate or you want to pay by the pound? He said, if we don't catch nothing, I owe you nothing, right? I said, yeah, that's paying by the pound. He said, I'll pay by the pound. He paid more than a regular trip. We caught some tanks today. Man, biggest one, 10 pounds, 2 ounces.
Wow.
I caught an 8 pound, 6 ounce. And then the last 2 big ones we caught, we didn't even weigh them. I released them. So if you see a damn big striper floating out there, call me. And I'll come back and get it.
We got 57.
Awesome, awesome. Good, good. All right, sir.
We'll see you out here. Are you going to be here tomorrow?
Tomorrow, what's tomorrow, Saturday? No, I'm not fishing tomorrow. I'm not fishing this weekend.
Perfect. Well, have a good
Unless the wife wants to come tomorrow, I'll be out here. No, all right, you too, sir. He's a crappie fisher. That's Nick Knapp. Elite Guide Service. All right, we had Chris Hofflegger on the boat today. And
What
he
a great
represented, caught him a 10 pound, 2 ouncer. I caught a 8 pound, 6 ounce.
Exactly.
And then we had a double header at the end of the trip. We didn't weigh those. We released everything and we stayed around and made sure they didn't float up like the ones the other day. They weren't as big as those ones the other day. That's why those died. They fought so hard. Anyway, I will not be fishing this weekend, guys. I got a surprise for you. The next video that comes up after this one, big surprise. All right, till next time, guys.